Hello. Good morning students. Welcome to our social class standard first. Today I will give a fair note. In previous class we had already learning this topic. The name of the lesson is people and places around us. People and places around us. First bit is, look at the first bit. Write the first bit in your fair note and textbook also. Open your textbook at the page number 157. Okay. First bit is fill in the blanks. Look at the first one. The postman. The postman works in a. Tell me student, where does a postman work? Yes, a postman works in a post office. Postman works in a post office. And second one, A dash stitches clothes for us. Who stitches clothes for us? Yes, a tailor. A tailor stitches clothes for us. Third one, the Hindus go to dash to pray. The Hindus go to temple. Where? Temple to pray. Fourth one, the holy book of the Muslims is. The holy book of the Muslims is Quran. What? Quran. Next, fifth one, dash take us to faraway places. Which vehicles are take us to faraway places? Yes, trains. Trains take us to faraway places. Second bit is answer the following question. Okay, first question. Who look after the patients in a hospital? Tell me student, who looks after the patients in a hospital? Yes, doctors and nurses look after the patients in a hospital. Second question, what does a policeman do? Answer is, a policeman catches thieves. Next, third question, where do Christians go to worship God? Tell me student, where do Christians go to worship God? Yes, Christians. Answer is, Christians go to a church to worship God. Fourth question, what do we buy from a market? Tell me student, what do we buy from a market? Answer is, we buy vegetables, fruits, clothes, seeds, books and many other things from a market. Fifth question is, what do we buy from a post office? What do we buy from a post office? Answer is, we buy postcards, stamps, envelopes and money orders from a post office. Third bit is, match the following. Look at the columns and match it correct answer. First one, farmer. A farmer works in a. Namaz is correct? No. Railway station? No. Field? Yes. A farmer works in a field. First one is Sikh. Sikh. Holy book is Namaz? No. Railway station? No. Guru Granth Sahib? Yes. Sikh. Holy book is Guru Granth Sahib. Second one, D. Muslims praise is Namaz? Yes. Muslim prayer is Namaz. Third one, A. Christians holy book is railway station? No. railway stations. Next, fourth bit is name me. Look at the first one. I make shoes. I also made them. Tell me, name me. Who are make shoe? S. Cobbler. Cobbler make shoes. Next, second one. I work in a hospital. I treat you when you are ill. Name me. S. Doctor. Doctor. Next, third one. I bring letters and greeting cards to you. Tell me, student, who are bring letters and greeting cards to you? S. Postman. Answer is postman. Next, fourth one. I fly in the sky. I take you to different countries. Which vehicle fly in the sky? S. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. And I take you to different places. Name me means aeroplane. Fifth one. I run on rails. I take you to faraway places. Which vehicle run on rails? S. Trains. Answer is trains. This is the fourth bit. Fifth bit is fifth one in A bit. Identify these people and write their names. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Who is he? S. Milkman. What? Milkman. And second picture. Look at the picture. Who is he? He is put out fire. Who is he? S. Fireman. Who is he? Fireman. Next, third picture. He drives a vehicle. Who is he? S. Driver. Who is he? Driver. Third bit is identify the places and write their names. Look at the first picture. Identify these places. This place is worship for the Christians. This place is worship for the Christians. Look at the picture. Identify. S. Church. The picture is church. And look at the picture. We buy many things in this place. Vegetables, fruits, many things, clothes, sweets. In this place we buy many things. Identify this place. S. Market. What? Market. Next, third picture. Look at the picture. And when you are ill, we are go to in this place. When you are ill, we are go to in this place. Look at the picture. S. Hospital. The picture is hospital. Next, third picture. Look at the picture. We learn many things in this place. We are going to study in this place. S. What is the place? School. Muslims prays in a Moscow. What? Moscow. Next, look at the picture. What is the picture? This picture is train. Train. Okay? Student, today homework is complete your fair note. Okay? Thank you, students.